Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fix Genie. In today's video, I'll show you how to create new user on Lenovo laptop. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Lenovo laptop. Now, click on Accounts and then select Your Info. Here, click on Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Step 2. A Microsoft sign-in window will appear on your screen. Click on Create One. Now enter an email address. If you don't have one, click Get a New Email Address and create a new Outlook email. After that, create a password and click Next. Then enter your name, country, and date of birth as requested. Step 3. Microsoft may send a verification code to your email address or phone number. Check your inbox, spam folder, or text messages, then enter the code on the screen. Follow the remaining instructions to complete the setup. Once finished, your new Microsoft account will be created and linked to your Lenovo laptop. And that's it. That's how you can create a new Microsoft account on a Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fix Genie for more Lenovo laptop tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.